This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
हर सोमवार को हफ्ते की शुरुआत हम करते हैं किसी को बधाई देते हुए. Congratulating someone who's now become a part of the MMT family. He's now become a tripper, he or she. Joining me today on the show from the online marketing department based out of Gurgaon is Rishabh Sharma. Rishabh, so nice to have you on the show. Welcome.
Thank you, Annie.
Well, बधाई हो आपको भी for now being a member of the family. You're a Go Tripper. महसूस क्या हो रहा है आपको? Since the time you're here, how does it feel?
Like it's a great experience joining MMT. Like I was planning because like I was having interest towards the travel segment. So yeah, It's a nice experience. Like I've joined and till now it's great fun and learning as well.
Wow, तो immersion induction programs तो हो ही गए होंगे है ना?
Yes, they are done.
All right, we'll talk about that too, and we'll also talk about what it is that you do over here, because I believe before this also you were in a department where you were analyzing business and the revenue stream for an online company. So maybe that way it is similar in terms of the platform, but the work is very different in terms of what kind of business it is. वो पहले beauty था और यहाँ पर travel है. मजा आ रहा है आपको?
Yeah. Now it's a different challenge. Now it's a different user cohort. So like I have to analyze something different. More a user-centric thing I'll be doing. So yes, right. It's interesting.
तो सब कुछ है इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है. एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. जल्दी से अपॉइंटमेंट लो और अपना एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप करवाओ. To know more, connect with HR operations team now. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
The show is called बधाई हो. बधाई दे रही हूँ ऋषभ को, who's now become a part of the family and he's a Go Tripper. Online marketing department से है ये. सवाल तो काफ़ी हैं, immersion induction से लेकर रोल के बारे में क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर थोड़ी और डिटेल में हम ज़रूर जानना चाहेंगे. पर right now it is time for the first game and you have picked GK quiz, Rishabh. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, let's go.
The very first question I have for you. Do you know the tennis player who is known as the king of clay?
I think it's Rafael Nadal.
Well done. क्या बात है? Which city in India is known as the city of joy?
City of Joy.
जी?
Kolkata.
That is correct. That's the only city of joy we have actually. Who is the president of India?
Currently it's Draupadi Murmu.
Who wrote the famous book Harry Potter?
Harry Potter. J.K. Rowling's.
That is correct. क्या बात है? Which fruit is known as the king of fruits in India?
It's mango.
That is correct. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic sounds?
It's parrot.
Can you name the first man who landed on the moon?
First man landed on the moon was Neil Armstrong.
That is correct. And the last question, which country is famous for pizzas and pastas?
It's Italian, so it's Italy.
Yes, it is Italy. बहुत अच्छे से आपने खेला है ये क्विज.
क्वार्टर प्लानिंग तो हो जाएगी, बट वीकेंड प्लानिंग कब करोगे दोस्त?
You serious?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show with Rishabh Sharma, जो कि online marketing department से हैं, based out of Gurgaon. Now I'd like to know more about your job. What kind of a role do you play in the online marketing department, Rishabh?
As a senior analyst here, the team is marketing, engineering and automation. So basically my role is in analytics which is backed by engineering and converting to the automating the things. So it's like how I convert the numbers into a useful insights. How can I understand a user behavior and understand what exactly the user is needing and how we can give him a perfect personalized solution so that we can build a one-stop solution for it. And in summation, it is like I'm working as a intersection of data and business to support better decision making, and like I'm here to make the life easy of people.
तो आप तो मतलब चहीते होने चाहिए सबके, दिस डिपार्टमेंट एंड द पीपल वर्किंग इन दिस डिपार्टमेंट, राइट? आई मीन यू आर मेकिंग लाइफ सिंपलर.
Yes, I will.
We're going to talk about the immersion and induction program also when we come back on the other side. So don't go anywhere. This is Rishabh Sharma, online marketing department. बखूबी से उन्होंने समझाया कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर to make everyone's lives simpler by kind of being right at the intersection of decision making.
Hello trippers, I am Deepak Vora and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Rishabh Sharma is on the show with me, online marketing department. Badhai Ho is the name of the show. Bataiye, immersion induction. It's a set of programs that MMT does for every newcomer, and it's extensive and immersive, just as the name goes. Tell me about your experience. आपका कैसा रहा था?
So yes, Annie, like immersion and induction program, both I enjoyed a much. Like induction was best because I was actually waiting for it because somehow I wasn't able to attend the induction in my previous organization. So I didn't know how and exactly induction works. But yes, I here do it. It was almost a whole day program in which like all the things were explained to us clearly. What are the policies, whatever the things, what is the workflow, how the team works, and like overall overview of an organization as MMT. Immersion, yeah, like it's the best thing that I enjoyed. So I made a good friends here. It was great to connect with the founders, the leaders of all the labs. So basically it helped me to understand how all the labs function, how the business is running, how we are actually being at a attitude of a never stop organization. We rise great after that pandemic situation. So yes, it was a great program.
तो यहाँ पर काफी एक्सपीरियंस आपका अच्छा रहा, आपको विजन के बारे में भी काफी क्लैरिटी मिली, तो इसके बाद आपको भी अपने जॉब में मुझे लगता है और भी कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया होगा.
Yeah, because like previously I was very strict towards like few understanding of the business, but उसके बाद when I get the chance के और lobs कैसे function करते हैं, how the user behavior changes against the different businesses. So yes, like now I'm very confident because marketing is the thing which functions very differently for every businesses. So yes, now I understand a very detailed view of organization.
Hi trippers, this is Sunil Grover and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Chakado Pate.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Headset Go.
We are at the last segment of the show Badhai Ho. मेरे साथ जुड़े हैं ऋषभ शर्मा from online marketing department based out of Gurgaon. So right now it's time for wrong answers only. Are you ready for this, Rishabh?
Yes, let's go.
ऑक्सीजन किस चीज के लिए जरूरी है?
To dance.
प्लेन कहाँ फ्लाई करता है?
Generally, I walk on the roads.
साइकिल चलाने के लिए क्या होता है, पेट्रोल या पेडल?
साइकिल चलाने के लिए we need a brain.
नॉट बैड. इंडिया का प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन है?
मैं.
एक हाथ में कितनी उंगलियां होती हैं?
I generally drink a hot water during morning.
ट्रेन कहाँ चलती है, हवा में या ट्रैक पे?
हवा में.
सबसे छोटी फिंगर ये किस लिए होता है?
Just to annoy someone.
स्कूल में किस सब्जेक्ट में नंबर्स होते हैं?
It's in India.
सबसे तेज एनिमल? सबसे तेज जानवर कौन सा है?
सबसे तेज जानवर is I think जिराफ.
नॉट बैड. हमारे देश का नेशनल बर्ड क्या है?
It's mango.
और क्रिकेट बॉल का आखिरी सवाल, क्रिकेट बॉल का कलर क्या है?
Cricket ball का color is similar to the color of rainbow. It's Vibgyor.
ओह वेल डन ऋषभ, आपने इसे फन करने की पूरी कोशिश की है और सफल रहे हो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम ऋषभ, एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट विद द होप्स एंड ड्रीम्स दैट यू हैव टाइड टू योर जॉब, टू योर career here at MMT.
Thank you, Annie. It was a great fun to connect with you.
Thank you. Rishabh Sharma from the online marketing department based out of Gurgaon. बधाई हो. शो का नाम इन्हें बधाई देते हुए पूरा शो हमने किया है. इसी के साथ होता है खत्म शो. And I will be back 2 days later with जब टेक है जान. Till then, keep smiling and don't forget you've got to keep traveling too.
सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है. एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. जल्दी से अपॉइंटमेंट लो और अपना एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप करवाओ. To know more, connect with HR operations team now. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है.
This is
Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO, and Redbus.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO, and Redbus.